Hi guys, it's Sam from Creatively Sam's, and today I'm making a blinged out hot glue gun holder. This cost me a total of $1.44, and it was so easy to put together I couldn't believe it. If you want to see how I did this, stay tuned. It's coming up next. This is the small ramekin that comes in a 4-pack from the Dollar Tree. And the first thing I did was give it a good coat of alcohol to get all the fingerprints and dust off. Then I cut a piece of duct tape in a circle to fit the bottom, because although E6000 has a tendency to stick to just about anything, I would rather it stick glass to glass. So I'm going to paint everything, and then I'll be peeling off the duct tape. And I'm using the Krylon Looking Glass paint, and I'm going to give this at least 2 coats, maybe 3. I'll have to see how it's working. Okay, there it is after 1 coat. So since I can still see through it so well, it's definitely going to need 2 to 3 coats. Okay, I just put the 3rd coat on, and it's drying nicely. I might have to do a 4th coat because I can still see through it pretty good, but we'll see. I think 3 coats is just enough. It's glowing like a mirror. So all I have to do is peel off the duct tape, and we can move on to the next stage. Okay, I took the duct tape off. Now the bottom's clear, the rest looks like mirror. I've been using this silicone mat that I actually found in the infant department at Walmart, and it works real well as far as being able to pick up glue with no problem. But my glue gun keeps falling over and it's driving me crazy. So I looked up glue gun holders on YouTube, and I saw some that were done from the Dollar Tree, which are fine, but I want to get back to my bling. I miss it. I haven't done bling for a while. So I got this mirror, and it's 4 inches by 6 inches, and the glue gun is about 5 inches. So that's going to fit perfectly. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put a little E6000 on the bottom of the ramekin. I actually got this mirror at Joann's, and it was $1.99, and I had a 40% off coupon. And the ramekin is a 4-pack for $1 at the Dollar Tree. And I had the spray paint on hand. So this is under $2. So I'm just going to take a little hot glue in between the E6000. It's going to go right there on the edge. And that is my mirrored glue gun holder. And I think I might have to jazz it up a little bit, and maybe I won't. Let me think about it. Well, anybody who knows me knows as soon as I said I might bling it up a little bit, that I would. And I started out putting E6000 on the back of each of my Aurora Borealis gems that I have. But it was actually harder than to do it this way. So I just took a stick with a little bit of E6000 and put it on the edge of the mirror. And just pressed it down. And E6000 stays wet for a while, so I can readjust these if I need to. But we'll be back when I'm done with that. Okay, there it is, all blinged out. And when this dries tomorrow, I'll clean the glass and put the glue gun right in there. So if you're looking for something a little jazzy to put in your craft room, there it is. And if you liked what you saw, give it a thumbs up. Hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of my posts. Subscribe, and happy creating, everyone.